Greetings, everyone. Welcome to PyCon! Hopefully they can flip across to the video and we can see. Fabulous.
There we go.
PyCon AU 2024 is held on the lands of the Wurundjeri Woiwurrung people of the Kulin Nation. We pay our respects to their elders, past and present. The Birrarung has been a place for building community and exchanging ideas for thousands of years, and we are honoured to continue that tradition here today. Welcome to PyCon! It is wonderful to see everybody here. Thank you for coming. It is tremendous. We have a great day, hopefully, planned for you. We are already embodying big DevOps energy here today with minor elements of chaos, but embrace the chaos. That's what today is all about. Thank you for wearing a mask, everyone. It is tremendous. Thank you for helping to protect others who are here today who otherwise couldn't be if we weren't wearing masks. It is tremendous to see all of you embracing that. We all deserve to feel safe, comfortable and welcome. This is the safety team. This is how to find them. They have a red badge. Here is the safety contact information. So if you see any kind of safety incident at any time, if you feel unsafe or you want to report questionable behaviour, please contact a member of the safety team. If you're not sure if something is worth raising, talk it through with the safety team anyway. Just check, it's fine, and they can help you figure it out. If you do see something and you feel comfortable intervening, a good way to do that is just to say that we don't do that here. So there are certain things that we don't do in this community that people in other communities sometimes do. Some examples are, we don't trash talk other communities. We don't assume that anyone is not a programmer. We don't make jokes at the expense of others. So if you feel comfortable and you see that sort of behaviour going on, we want to encourage everyone to make this a great community, and all you need to do is say, well, we don't do that here. If you want to learn more about the culture of PyCon, here is a link. Go and have a look. It explains some of the in-jokes that we have. We have a bit of lore around this particular community and PyCon. This is a great way to do it. If you see any issues with it, we had one earlier today. I think someone's asked to explain a little bit more of the lore. If you see that, please do report it, raise a pull request or an issue. It's all run through GitHub. Everyone's really busy today, so if we don't get to it today, it's not because we don't care, but if you can chip in and help to do that, it spreads the load for everybody and it all incrementally makes this community better. The restrooms are marked thusly, so please use the one you are most comfortable using. Everything in this venue is all gender. The ones outside, in the main part of the MCEC, there are gendered bathrooms out there. If you feel more comfortable over there, that's fine. If you prefer one, that's where you can go, or you can use these ones, totally fine. If someone's in the wrong bathroom, you think, don't worry about it. Just respect their privacy and just go about your day. Thank you. There are baskets in the bathrooms that have a variety of goods. So there's things like tampons, pads, deodorant, toothbrushes, combs, tissues. I think that's about it. Take what you need, leave some for others. If they run out, let us know. Just grab someone from the organising team and we'll go and refill them. If you're not already connected to Wi-Fi, totally trust that QR code. Sure, it's fine. What could possibly go wrong? It's DevOps. Passphrase is there. It does work. I am using it right now. We also have a Discord. You would have gotten a link with an invitation in email, either last night or earlier today. It's linked to your registration. So join us there if you want to socialise on the line. That is where we are hanging out. There are Birds of a Feather sessions. There's a link there and there's a board over at registration. So if you want to participate with just a community of people, it's self-organising. If you just have a group of people that you want to talk about a thing, doesn't have to be Python, doesn't have to be PyCon, it can be anything. That's how you can do it. The Pac-Man rule. This is one of the most important parts of this conference, and indeed I encourage you to take this rule to other conferences and other venues. To explain it, when you're standing in a group, leave room for someone else to join you. And then when they join you, then move around so that others can also join you. That's a way that we help. We like to talk about things, we get quite into it. If you can please consciously just sort of step to one side, leave room for other people to come and join you, that's how we grow this community. And for those of you who have been to PyCon more than once, we have the snowball rule, which is for every PyCon you have been to, go and meet that many new people sometime through the conference. We want you to go and talk to some new people and bring them into this community, make them feel welcome and a part of it. And the best part is it's a bit like the GPL, because then they have to do the snowball rule next time. We have communication stickers. I believe they're at Rego. I
haven't seen them yet, but I hope they are.
I think I have seen some people who've grabbed them. I forgot to get one. I must do that. So they are 3 colours and 3 different shapes. For those who might be a bit colourblind, I'll try it now. Left and right. I'm going to get this wrong, aren't I? Left, just on that side. The green circle means please talk to me. Quite happy to talk. Come up, approach me. It's fine. Yellow means check with them first. So just a quick, are you okay to talk? Is now a good time? That kind of thing. The red one says that they prefer, if they initiate, if they want to talk to you, they will do so. Please don't approach them and initiate conversation. Please respect those boundaries. It's part of what makes this community great. Thank you very much. There is Lost and Found. If you lose something, go to Lost and Found, and hopefully they will have found it and can give it back to you. If you find something that doesn't seem to have an owner, please take it to Lost and Found so that its owner can come and find it. Or you can just ask a volunteer as well, and they can help you find Lost and Found, or lose Lost and Found. We could not do PyCon without our sponsors, particularly last year or so. It's been challenging, as I'm sure some of you are probably aware. There's some interesting macroeconomic conditions going on. So please join me in thanking our sponsors. Platinum sponsors MongoDB and Python Software Foundation. Gold sponsors Kraken, CipherStash. Our standard sponsors Google, Elastic and Acorn. And our startup sponsors Multitudes. I can't remember how to pronounce it. Ikigai. I apologise for not checking how to pronounce that before. And of course, Linux Australia, as always. Linux Australia is our auspice sponsor. They do a lot of work to help us and indeed the broader Python community to run these conferences, and we really appreciate their assistance and help every year and throughout the year. There is a job board if you are looking for a job, or if you want to give someone a job. If you're looking for staff, please go and use the job board so that we can help people find someone that will help them. There is also a jobs board channel in Discord. If you are a speaker today, please come and find either myself or Yaakov, my delicious co-chair, who I now realise I forgot to introduce at the beginning as I should have.
Hey, Yaakov. Hi, Yaakov.
Find one of us.
Ken.
Sorry, what was that?
Lucky my name wasn't Ken.
Lucky, but your name wasn't Ken. Yes. Or Spartacus. If you are a speaker, please come and find one of us before the session. So we have some breaks through the day, and then we have a block. Find us at the beginning of that block, please, just so that we can do a bit of logistics with you and get you ready for presenting. We also have lightning talks. There's 2 kinds. This one is Devoops lightning talks. So if you see people up here speaking and you think, I would like to do that, I reckon I might try to give that a go. If you have something that you would like to do, sign up for a lightning talk. They're only short. It will be over before you know it. That is the link. Either just use the URL, or again, please feel free to scan the QR code, which is totally safe, I'm sure. Have a great day. PyCon is all about having a really good time, as well as learning some things. We want you to enjoy the experience, so please embrace that idea. And just to check, you are in the Devoops track, if that was not already obvious by the levels of chaos that were going on around here. If this is not where you want to be, please feel free to wander off into one of the other tracks that are next door. I'm sure they're also excellent. But here, we are all about learning from weirdness and failure. We want to try to make more interesting mistakes next time. Eliminating them completely is probably impossible. We just want to make it kind of more fun, rather than doing the same thing over and over again. So again, if you have some weirdness that you've noticed, or a bit of failure that you've noticed, you can sign up for a lightning talk and talk about it later today. And with that, I'm now going to hand over to Yaakov, who will introduce our first speaker for the day.